Hi, I'm Brian. Welcome to Syntax Technologies. Today we will continue with our SQL Accounting System training with topic Invoice. Let's get started. Once you go into SQL Accounting software, you can go to Sales module and you can see Invoice. Go into Invoice. As normal, it's a list of all the previous invoice that you have created before. Then you can have more than 20 fields for you to search for previous transaction. Confirm you are able to search. Let's go into New Invoice. Then select the customer, type the customer name. Then, if you have created delivery order, please remember right-click invoice title and transfer from delivery order. This is compulsory because delivery order will decrease the stock quantity. And when you do invoice and you do not transfer from delivery order, invoice will also do another time of stock deduction. It will be double deduction for the stock quantity. So remember to transfer from delivery order. Let's say this is the item. Okay, then it will transfer over. Or if you have not keyed in any transaction before this, no quotation, sales order or delivery order, you can just click on the plus icon to select the item. And in e-invoice era, please remember that there will be classification code and you must select the correct classification code. Normally, we will set this in maintain stock item. Save the transaction and you can preview and select the invoice template accordingly. And you can see behind the screen, right click, you can show double entry. There will be accounting double entry show to you, and this will update your profit and loss directly. For e-invoice registration, please remember you cannot give this invoice to your customer. You must send to 𝐿HDN as e-invoice for validation. Then only you can send to your customer. So you just need to click on the My Invoice icon and submit. So after get validated, when you preview the same document, and you can see that there will be QR code. So this is validated e-invoice. For others e-invoice related transaction or setting, please refer to my webpage as below. If you are interested in purchasing SQL Accounting software or sign up support maintenance with us, please contact Syntax Technologies accordingly. Once again, thank you for watching. I'm Brian from Syntax Technologies. See you in the next video. Thank you.